Hey everyone, just wanted to welcome you back. I wanted to give you a quick tip from Review All the Things. As you may have noticed, I have a lot of gas-powered toys, so I decided that I wanted to have a little more fuel on hand than just in 5-gallon gas cans. So I did a bunch of research on fuel caddies, and there's a lot of them out there, but they're pretty much probably all made by the same people. I tried to find one that was made in the USA, and I thought I did, but it ends up I got one that was made in China. Um, but look around; they're all the same. Just find the one that's the best deal that has decent reviews. Common theme I found when looking through reviews on all the different ones. I ended up getting this one from Overstock.com. It was people complained about junk in the bottom of the tank or sediment in the bottom of the tank, or it was dirty looking. I don't know if you're going to be able to avoid that during the manufacturing process. Again, we're dealing with Chinese-made ones here, but you can spend a lot of money on one of these things. I wanted to spend, I spent like $200, $230, and I thought that was a little much, but I ended up getting it, putting it together, looked in the bottom, didn't really see anything that concerned me, but I did take an extra step and I put a external fuel filter on the gas caddy. And it doesn't necessarily look pretty, but it gets the job done and gives you a little bit extra protection. So I've already put it on, but I'll show you what I got and how I mounted it, and how simple it is just to take this extra step. So I'll bring you right back and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the gas caddy that I got off of Overstock, just simply because that's where I could find it the cheapest with free shipping. If you look up gas caddies, you're going to find these anywhere: Amazon, Walmart, no-name websites. They're all the same. They're all made by the same people. It's just different sellers, resellers. Again, I thought this one in the Overstock's description, it said it was made in the USA, but then it showed up with this nice big made in China label. So, it is what it is. And the real purpose of the video is to show you what I did with this fuel filter, just to help make sure that there's no crud from the tanker or bad fuel or out of the pump getting through into any of my toys. So I'll take you in a little closer so that you can see what I did. Alright, so this is a goldenrod external fuel tank filter. It's really for farm use, big giant 275 gallon fuel tanks, but that just means it'll work extra well for this small fuel tank and my purposes. And I also opted to get you can't see it, but on this side it's the water block version. So if there's any water in the fuel, or condensation gets in there from temperature changes, so when you're storing up fuel over time, the tank can condensate. Mine's inside my garage, so it's not in direct sunlight or anything like that. So hopefully it won't have too much of a condensating issue where it condensates inside the tank and then the fuel gets a little bit of water in it. But anything that could happen should be blocked by this filter. There's a couple different types that you can get, different types of filters, different size filters. This is the 3/4 inlet and outlet. Tractor Supply has these, but they usually only have the 1-inch inlets and outlets, and I needed 3/4, so ordered this one from Amazon, and then I got a couple 3/4-inch brass NPT adapters, hose bib adapters, a couple hose clamps, cut the supplied hose that comes with it, and you can see that I just patched in the filter, and I attached the filter itself with a hose clamp right to the handle. That was the easiest way to do it, so that I can remove it if I needed to. But this is a cartridge type filter, so this one has a drain on it, so when it's time to change the filter, you can drain the fuel out and you unspin it, change the filter, spin it back on, tighten up your drain, and you're good to go. But I expect this one, for this little use, to last quite a while. You may see that I added some of this gasket material. If you watched one of my Polaris videos where I did the mirrors, I made gaskets for the mirrors out of this stuff, and I just threw some on there so that, you know, it wasn't direct metal on metal contact to chip the paint and maybe start rusting or something like that. So that's really it, and it works. I've used it, and you know, the nice thing about this is I can roll it up on my trailer, drive it to the gas station, fill it up. Not now, well, you know, gas is $5 a gallon, but an easy way to store a larger amount of fuel instead of gas cans for your toys. So hope you enjoyed this quick video and this quick tip, and please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.